Hello my traders, how are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very well. Today I want to show you how to set up your chart looking like a professional trader. So let's start. Follow my steps and instructions and set your chart looking like a professional trader. So we have to rotate our device because I know there are many traders using mobile phone. For that reason, creating videos through mobile phone. Okay, now let's change it to black and white and background to black, foreground leave it. Okay, now it's grid number, so grid must black, foreground choose it to white. Okay, for volumes leave it same. For bar up mean there is a bull candle, so choose green color. For bar down it's mean a bearish candle, choose a red color. For bull candle this is for wick. Okay, for bull candle choose a green color, and bear candle choose same the red color. For chart line, as you all guys know, the chart lines showing you the price high low, that bid price line, there is no any suggestion, so use any color. Okay, and ask price line leave it same red color, and stop levels leave it same. Now look my chart. As you seen before creating this video black and white, and now it will be look more awesome. Let's rotate my device and show you how it's looking now. I hope all guys will like this chart. Let's switch to the bigger. Now this is a live market. Now look how that candle's looking very awesome. I hope all guys like this video, so keep following, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care of yourself.